Are you looking for the right mattress to help you get a good night's sleep? Are you confused by all of the information out there? Well, I understand how you feel, and that's why I recommend you download and read your free copy of A Consumer's Guide to Picking the Right Mattress. Inside your free copy of this valuable report, you will learn the real reasons why you may need a new mattress, 7 surefire tips to picking the right mattress for you, how you can have a hassle-free buying experience, why a comfortable mattress is the foundation of a good night's sleep, helpful hints from the Better Sleep Council, plus much more. Sleep On It specializes only in mattresses and has been in the area for over 33 years. Just listen to what other people like you are saying about the experts at Sleep On It.
Hi, my name is Darlene Lotz, and I've been a client here at Sleep On It since 1980s, but back then it was called the Waterbed Shack. My buying experience was of good quality. You walk in, their Ernie has just been, he knows his stuff, and all you have to do is tell him what you're looking for, and it's just like the commercial says, if you sleep on it, they've got it. I would highly recommend that if anybody wants a one-to-one experience, and like I said, they treat you like family here.
My name is Stan Horst. I am the owner and operator of Cabin Creekwood up along the Blue Ridge Parkway. We've been a client of Sleep On It for, good grief, probably close to 15 years. We bought many things here at Sleep On It. We bought mattresses for our cabins, we bought mattresses for our own family, we bought futons, and every experience was a good one. It's nice to know that somebody can come out and set things up and take away the old mattresses, and it's nice to be able to pick up the phone and just give a call. And they have always been so helpful, and I highly recommend anybody using Sleep On It for their mattress needs.